Only 78% nitrogen there in the air. So what is the important? So how carbon dioxide, oxygen, how important? The same way nitrogen also very important for our life. Okay, formation of proteins and formation of nucleic acids. So nitrogen is very important role. Okay. So nitrogen is the most abundant element in the atmosphere and a building block of proteins and nucleic acids. So it's build up the proteins and proteins for our health and for our body building. Proteins are very important. Synthesis of proteins and formation of nucleic acids like DNA. What are the two types of nucleic acids? DNA and RNA. So deoxyribonucleic acid, so RNA ribonucleic acid. So both are formed by the help of nitrogen. So this is abundant, unlimited amount of nitrogen in the atmosphere. How much? 78% nitrogen in the atmosphere. The nitrogen cycle is a complex biogeochemical cycle in which nitrogen is converted from its inert atmospheric molecule form into a form that is useful in biological process. So already 78% nitrogen you can see in the atmosphere in inert form. Means it is not reacting any other. It cannot go one place to another place, right? That is inert form. If it wants to convert into another biochemical cycle, so it has to react with other molecules and forming, helping in the biological process. How the element nitrogen is constantly moving in a giant circle from the air to the soil into the bodies of plants and animals and eventually back to the air by the process of nitrogen cycle. So the abundant element of the nitrogen in the air is moving throughout the circle is throughout the air. But it is passing, entering the bodies of the animals and plants, reback to the nature. So in this way it is circulating throughout the air. And all living things need nitrogen mainly for growth, repair and development. So already oxygen is very important for our life. Just we are thinking oxygen only very important. Formation of energy. The same way nitrogen also, how oxygen is important, the same way nitrogen also important in different activities. We want to develop growth. Formation of proteins are very important. Synthesis of proteins are very important. That's why growth. If we want to growth development, we need large quantity of nitrogen to our body. So it is helping in the damage. So if we injured some parts in our body, so it is recovered by nitrogen, helping in the repair of body and the other development process. So that's why nitrogen is very essential for formation of proteins, synthesis of proteins. Even though the Earth's atmosphere is made up of 78% nitrogen, plants and animals cannot use it in the form. So actually, inert form. So it is not reacting with other molecules to form new substance. That's why it is 78% inert form nitrogen you can see, you can find in the air. But it is not used. Directly, plants and animals, nobody can receive directly in the form of nitrogen. How? So the nitrogen, the atmospheric nitrogen is thus converted into certain compound which plants may take up from the soil by some chemical process by certain bacteria like rhizobium, nitromas, etc. Yes. So plants and animals, they are not capable to take directly nitrogen from the atmosphere. So this nitrogen is converted into different forms. If this nitrogen converted into different forms, some other organisms are helping. What are the organisms? Rhizobium bacteria, nitromas bacteria, they are involving in the reaction and convert into other forms of the nitrogen. So whenever this nitrogen is converted into other forms, generally we are utilizing this. How? What are the forms nitrogen is converted? What are the forms are utilizing for our body? Not only animals but also plants and everything. Animals get the required amount of nitrogen from plants either directly or indirectly. Yes, animals, we need nitrogen. But directly we are not taking nitrogen from the atmosphere. It converts into other forms, nitrates, nitrites, water treatment. So whenever nitrogen is converted into the form of nitrites and nitrates, generally you can utilize. So plants utilize and storing food materials in their body. In the form of food materials, they are storing small quantity of nitrogen. So these nitrates, in the form of other forms like nitrates and nitrates, we are taking from the plants. So in this way, so we are taking nitrogen from the plants directly. So otherwise some animals indirectly. The nitrogen cycle contains different types of states. How nitrogen is passing, converted to nitrates, how it is entering to the plants, so how it is entering into the animals, how back to the atmosphere. So what is the cycle? How many steps are there in the cycle? Now we are going to discuss. In the cycle there is a 5 steps: nitrogen fixation, nitrification, assimilation, ammonification, denitrification. So according to these 5 steps, so nitrogen is absorbed by the plants and read back to the atmosphere. So these are the important steps. Explain about the nitrogen cycle. Ask the question. So you have to explain 5 steps. First one, nitrogen fixation. First we have to fix the nitrogen in the soil. 78% nitrogen in the atmosphere we have to take and fix in the soil. How? Atmospheric nitrogen occurs primarily in inert form, nitrogen or non-reactive form that few organisms can use. Yes, already we discussed 78% nitrogen in the air, but nobody can use that. It is in the form of inert, it cannot reacting with others. So directly nobody can use except some, if plants are water plants. Small number of plants only utilizing directly, but most of the animals and plants they need other form. How? Therefore, it must be converted into a compound or fixed form in a process called nitrogen fixation. That's why if you want to take the nitrogen, it has to convert into other forms. If it is converted into nitrites or nitrates, whenever it is converted into other forms, then only you can take. That's why, so whenever this nitrogen is converted and fixed in the soil, then only we take. First, it has to convert into fixed nitrogen. Most of the atmospheric nitrogen is fixed through biological processes. Yes. Biological. Bio means organisms are involving in fixing the nitrogen. So there is a process. Some organisms are involving and taking the nitrogen and converting to other forms. So this is a biological process. By the biological process only nitrogen converted to other forms and fixed in the soil. A number of bacteria and blue green algae are known to be able to fix atmospheric nitrogen into compounds in their own body. So already we discussed, so in 8th class we discussed rhizobium bacteria. So it is very important. It is storing, it is living in the root nodules of the groundnut. It is absorbing atmospheric nitrogen converted into nitrates. So here also some bacteria, what are they? So rhizobium and clostridium. These bacteria are collecting nitrogen from the atmosphere and converting into nitrates or nitrites and storing in the soil. So whenever these nitrates and nitrates storing in the soil, these stored nitrates are absorbed by the plants. So by the absorption of the nitrogen, plants are preparing food. This nitrogen is small quantity storing in the form of food materials. That food material is eaten by the animals. So by this way, nitrogen is transforming one animal to another animal throughout the body. These organisms convert atmospheric nitrogen into the organic nitrogen. So what is the organic means? Inert form of the nitrogen converted to organic means nitrites or nitrates. In both way, whatever may be is converted into other forms by the involvement of organisms. That's why this is called the biological process. By the biological process only nitrogen is converted into other forms, organic forms. This nitrogen now present in the soil as compounds become available to plants. So whenever nitrogen, 78% of nitrogen is available in the air. So this is absorbed by the microorganisms, bacteria and rhizobacteria and nitromonas. So they are collecting and storing in the soil. So then nitrogen is fixed in the soil. After fixation of the nitrogen in the soil, it is absorbed by the plants. So first fixing. Who is fixing here? Biological process. Some organisms are fixing nitrogen in the soil by different types of activities. For example, in leguminous plants like pea, beans, etc., there are a symbiotic relationship of the nitrogen fixing bacteria with the plant. Thus, nitrogenous compounds are added to the soil after leguminous crop is grown. So already we discussed plants which are belongs to leguminous family, pea, bean. These plants directly they cannot absorb nitrogen from the atmosphere. They have large quantity of nitrogen. That's why it is giving shelter to some kind of bacteria, rhizobium, nitromonas. They are receiving nitrogen and storing and converting into nitrates. Whenever nitrogen converted into nitrates, these nitrates are taken by the plant. Then it will give food production. In this part, some quantity of nitrogen is storing fixing in the soil. After completion of the development of the crop, if you remove, even there is a large quantity of nitrogen you can see in the soil. So this is called fixation. Fixing. These bacteria are collecting nitrogen from the weather and fixing in the soil. So here. So nitrogen can be fixed as nitrates by lighting. So in the presence of sunlight also some nitrogen is fixing in the form of nitrates. This reaches soil and water through precipitation that follows. So whenever this forming, so through the water and other ways it is leaching into the deep layers of the soil, forming like a layer, nitrates layer, like a precipitation. Nitrates are taken up by plants to form proteins. So after fixation of the nitrogen in the soil, this fixed nitrogen is absorbed by the plants. So this is helping. This nitrogen is helping in formation of proteins and nucleic acid in the plants. So this is nitrogen fixation. How 78% nitrogen is there in the nature, how it is fixing in the soil by the biological process. Okay, after fixation, now we are going to second step, nitrification. So what is so after nitrogen fixation, second step is nitrification. Nitrates can also be converted to ammonia by the denitrification bacteria in the soil. So nitrates. So nitrogen is converted into nitrates. So there is a nitrates in the form of nitrogen storing in the soil in the form of nitrates. Understood? Nitrates can also be converted to ammonia by the denitrification bacteria in the soil. So there is another bacteria. So these nitrates are converted to ammonia. This process is called denitrifying bacteria. This conversion you can see by the denitrifying bacteria. The nitrifying bacteria may then use this ammonia to synthesize compounds for their own cell and eventually convert to proteins, nucleic acids, nitrates and nitrates. Yes. So why it is converted to ammonia? Some bacteria are taking nitrogen in the form of ammonia.